Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials. Hope you guys are doing really well and also watching our channel and checking out the entire playlist wherein I have uploaded videos related to Six Sigma certification, quality analyst role in BPO, next to the trainers, operation team leads, associates KPI. So many more videos are there guys. Please do check, share and subscribe the channel and also click on bell icon. So today we came up with another concept that is related to a graphs guys. So in the last video we have seen that we prepared a pie chart. If you haven't seen that, please watch out that video. It's quite easy. You can easily do your reports guys which you are preparing for the teams or for the individual associates or in the dashboards. You can use that. So today continuing to that particular topic, today we will prepare a line chart guys. So line chart is also an important graph guys, which basically used to represent the data in a graphical way. So let's start today's concept. So I have an data guys which is the employee name. I have done this number of audits for them and these are the CSAT scores which they have received. CSAT score, what is this? You can check out the playlist guys. You will find the video related to it, how that is calculated, what is the formula we are using it. Okay, so post getting this data, what I'll do, I'll select the entire table. I'll go to insert. You guys can see here insert. You guys can see here recommended chart guys. Click on it and you can click on all charts. In the all chart you will find an option of line here. Are you able to see this guys? Line. Okay, so you will find this stacked line. Many options are there, but I'll go with the basic guys. You can prepare it from manually also. This is just that auto prepared chart, but we will prepare this kind of chart manually, the second number chart. So I'll select the first one. I'll click on OK. So here you guys can see there is a chart visible for you. I'll rechange the title name. Just you need to click on this title. You can type it here like this is associate performance report or else CSAT scores. CSAT scores. Audit versus CSAT scores, CSAT percentage. Okay, I'll select this. I'll do Control B, which is used for bold. You can also do with the help of the manually. You can go to home and click on B. If you want underline, you can do that. It's if required. So this is done. Now what I'll do, I want a line graph which shows both the CSAT scores as well as the audit count. So but you can see here the blue line shows the audit here, correct? I want a data label here, so I'll select the graph. I'll go to plus button. I'll click on data labels. Now it's done. Okay, now the audit count is visible here. You guys can see this. I will change the axis here. It is like 0 to 450. I will make it to 0 to 500. Just double click on this. Automatically in a right side you can see a format axis tab is visible. Just click on, there are 4 tabs available here. Click on the graph tab, go to the axis option. You can see here minimum 0, maximum I want 500 and you just click on enter. It's done. What I'll do, I'll just remove these lines here in the graph. That can be removed with the help of grid lines guys. Just click on it, grid line, automatically this will get removed. Next, I want axis titles also. Like this axis title will show the audit count. Okay, audit count. So this is also done. I'll increase the size of my graph and I do also want now the CSAT percentage. So how I will get that? Select the audit count graph. Just select it and you do right click. You will find the option of change series chart type. Here you can see the line audit and CSAT graph are visible. Just you need to click on the checkbox. Okay, and here the CSAT will be coming like an graph. Okay, I'll select the chart. Okay, it was not selected actually. Okay, done. So this is selected and what I'll do okay. It's done. Again it got changed. I will change it to 500. This series type axis option, go and make it to 500. It's done. Now you can see that guys, the graph is prepared. Now the data labels are not visible for the CSAT scores. Select that particular graph and click on data label. So the data labels are also visible here. Quite easy guys, easily we can prepare it. You can use it in your dashboards guys, and it will give you a good view to your reports. So what basically this graph specify us. So one more thing I want to modify. This is the audit count. In this particular access title I will mention these are the employee name. So this is also done. I'll just give it bold, control B. Same, I will make it bold, control B. It's done. Now this is looking really nice. Audit versus CSAT scores. So if you want to explain this particular graph, how we will explain. John is the employee. The audit count for the John is 300 and his CSAT score is 95%. In this way you can specify this particular graph guys, or else you can explain this particular graph. Now just control C and you can paste it to your report. And if there are any changes in the data, no need to worry guys, just you can modify here. For an example, the audit count for the John updated wrongly, you can just, like, it is the 350 is the count but I updated 300, automatically this will get changed guys, because this is linked to this particular graph. So I hope this is very much easy to prepare the audit count versus CSAT graph. One more thing I want to specify here, you can see this 400 count is not showing properly here. So what I'll do, I'll just select this 400 count, I'll do right click. So all the data labels of the audit count will get selected. You can go to format data labels. Once you do that, you can do this here like center, left, right, above, and there is one more option of below. You can do this below. So I did it below guys, so it look really good now. But no, I'll do this as above only. Again I'll go to the label options and I'll go to center. Now this is looking nice. Okay, and I'll select the CSAT percentage now. Again I'll change their position, going to the fourth icons which is related to graph, and I will make it to above. Now this is looking really nice. Okay, at some instant you will face some issue, you can individually select and you can bring it up. It's up to you guys if you want to do that. Suppose this 240 is not showing correctly, you just select this particular score and you can just bring it down or up. It's just up to you guys. Okay, you can do this manual changes wherever you require. Now this graph is looking really well, and yes, our line graph is ready, which basically specifies audit versus CSAT percentage. So any doubt, anything you want to ask guys, please share your feedback in the comment section, and please don't miss to like the video and share and subscribe the channel. Share it with your friends who are preparing for the quality team lead or trainer role, or else they are also preparing for any higher designations. Share with them guys, help them so that they can crack their interviews. Thanks a lot guys, thanks for watching, have a great day.